Let's face it, we all have those moments when we watch a movie and think, wow, I wish I could look like that. Catherine Zeta-Jones in The Mask of Zorro was goals. She was smoking hot. Her portrayal of Elena Montero was not just about acting, it was about embodying a character who was both fierce and graceful. I mean, come on, the woman could rock a corset and wield a sword like nobody's business. Her movements were fluid, her stance powerful, and her presence on screen was nothing short of mesmerizing. But behind that fierce grace and agility lay a disciplined fitness and diet regimen that helped her embody the role of the fiery Elena Montero. It wasn't just about looking good, it was about being able to perform the demanding physical feats required for the role. Get ready to uncover the secrets behind Catherine Zeta-Jones's Zorro physique. We're diving deep into the workouts, the diet, and the mindset that made it all possible. Listen up, because we're about to break down her routine. This isn't just any fitness plan, it's a comprehensive approach that combines various elements to create a balanced and effective regimen. We'll dive into the cardio, strength training, and endurance exercises that kept her fighting fit. Cardio is essential for burning calories and improving cardiovascular health, while strength training builds muscle and increases overall strength. And flexibility exercises that kept her fighting fit. Flexibility is often overlooked, but it's crucial for preventing injuries and maintaining a full range of motion. And of course, no Zorro workout would be complete without a focus on core strength. A strong core is the foundation of all movement, providing stability and power for every action. We're talking abs of steel, people. Achieving a toned midsection requires dedication and consistency, but the results are worth it. But it's not all sweat and swords. Recovery is just as important as the workout itself. Taking time to rest and allow your muscles to heal is crucial for long-term success. We'll also spill the tea on Catherine's healthy eating habits. Nutrition plays a vital role in achieving and maintaining a fit physique. It's not just about cutting calories, it's about fueling your body with the right nutrients. Get ready to unlock your inner Zorro. With the right combination of exercise, diet, and mindset, you can achieve your fitness goals and feel like a hero in your own life. Buckle up, Buttercup, because we're about to embark on a journey to a stronger, healthier you. This isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling good and living your best life. No excuses. Let's do this. Whether you're a fitness newbie or a seasoned pro, there's always room for improvement and growth. So, lace up those sneakers, grab your water bottle, and let's get started on this exciting adventure together. Catherine Zeta-Jones didn't get that lean, mean fighting machine physique by sitting around eating bonbons. No way. She dedicated herself to a rigorous fitness regimen that would make even the most seasoned athletes break a sweat. Her commitment to staying in top shape is truly inspiring and shows that hard work and dedication pay off. She was burning calories like crazy with a mix of cardio exercises. Cardio is essential for anyone looking to shed pounds and improve their overall health. It gets your heart pumping and your blood flowing, which is crucial for maintaining a healthy body and mind. Think of it this way: cardio is your secret weapon for torching fat and building endurance. Whether you're running, cycling, or doing high-intensity interval training, these activities help you burn calories and build stamina. The more you push yourself, the more you'll see results. To keep up with the demands of filming Zorro, Catherine incorporated a variety of cardio exercises into her routine. This not only helped her stay in shape, but also prepared her for the physically demanding role. She needed to be agile, strong, and have the endurance to perform her stunts and action scenes. This included everything from running, which is a fantastic way to build cardiovascular strength and endurance, and swimming, which is a low-impact exercise that works your entire body, to dancing, which is not only fun, but also a great way to burn calories, and even fencing practice. Fencing is an excellent way to improve your reflexes, coordination, and overall fitness. Talk about a fun way to break a sweat. Finding an activity that you enjoy is crucial because it makes it easier to stick with your fitness routine. When you enjoy what you're doing, it doesn't feel like a chore. The key here is to find something you enjoy and stick with it. Remember, consistency is key. It's not about doing the most intense workout every day, but about showing up and putting in the effort regularly. Over time, you'll see the results of your hard work. Variety is the spice of life, and it's also the key to a killer cardio routine. Mixing up your workouts keeps things interesting and ensures that you're working different muscle groups. This helps prevent plateaus and keeps your body guessing. By switching things up, you challenge your body in new ways and prevent boredom. It's easy to get stuck in a rut, doing the same exercises day in and day out, but variety keeps you motivated and engaged. So, channel your inner Catherine and get moving. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting your fitness journey, remember that the most important thing is to keep pushing yourself and never give up. With dedication and hard work, you can achieve your fitness goals and feel great about yourself. Let's be real, wielding a sword and kicking villain butt requires some serious strength. Catherine Zeta-Jones knew this, and she didn't shy away from pumping iron. She incorporated a balanced strength training program that targeted all the major muscle groups. Catherine's routine included exercises like squats, lunges, push-ups, and rows. These compound movements engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously, maximizing calorie burn and building overall strength. Don't be afraid to lift heavy, ladies. You won't bulk up, you'll sculpt a lean, toned physique. Remember, strength training isn't just about aesthetics. It's about building a strong foundation for an active, healthy life. So, grab those weights and get ready to unleash your inner warrior. Have you ever noticed how graceful Catherine Zeta-Jones moves? That's not an accident. She understands the importance of flexibility, both for her roles and for overall health. Catherine made sure to incorporate regular stretching into her routine to improve flexibility and range of motion. Think yoga, Pilates, or even just some good old-fashioned stretching at home. Flexibility is crucial for preventing injuries, improving posture, and maintaining agility. Plus, let's be real, being flexible just makes you feel good. It's like giving your body a big, relaxing hug. So, stretch it out and feel the tension melt away. Let's talk about those abs. Catherine Zeta-Jones rocked some seriously impressive core strength in Zorro, and for good reason. A strong core is essential for everything from maintaining good posture to performing those epic sword-fighting moves. Catherine focused on exercises that targeted her abdominal muscles from all angles. This included planks, crunches, reverse crunches, and bicycle crunches. A strong core not only looks great, but it also helps prevent back pain and improves balance and stability. So, ditch the crunches and embrace a holistic approach to core training. Your body will thank you for it. You can't outrun a bad diet. It's a common saying, but it holds a lot of truth. No matter how much you exercise, if your diet is poor, you won't see the results you desire. Catherine Zeta-Jones knows that true strength comes from within, which is why she fuels her body with nutrient-rich, whole foods. She understands that what you put into your body directly affects your energy levels, mood, and overall health. Forget about fad diets and crazy restrictions. These quick fixes might offer short-term results, but they are not sustainable and can often lead to more harm than good. We're talking about nourishing your body with the good stuff. Fresh vegetables and fruits are packed with essential vitamins and minerals that your body needs to function at its best. Catherine's diet is all about balance and moderation. She doesn't believe in depriving herself, but rather in making smart choices that allow her to enjoy a variety of foods. She focuses on consuming lean proteins like chicken, which are essential for muscle repair and growth. Fish, which is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, and beans, which are a great source of fiber and protein, are also staples in her diet. Complex carbohydrates, like brown rice and quinoa, provide the sustained energy needed for those intense workouts and busy days. Whole wheat bread is another excellent source of healthy carbs that keep her energized throughout the day. Healthy fats from sources like avocados and nuts are crucial for brain health and keeping her feeling full and satisfied. Olive oil, known for its heart-healthy benefits, is another key component of her diet. And let's not forget about the importance of hydration. Water is essential for every cell in your body to function properly. Catherine makes sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day to stay hydrated and energized. Hydration helps with digestion, keeps your skin glowing, and ensures that your body can perform at its peak. By focusing on a balanced diet rich in whole foods, Catherine Zeta-Jones not only maintains her stunning physique, but also supports her overall well-being. It's not just about looking good, it's about feeling good from the inside out. So, take a page out of Catherine's book and start nourishing your body with the right foods. Your body will thank you, and you'll feel like a warrior queen ready to conquer anything that comes your way.